My father once told me, he said, don't listen to what people say behind your back. A lion never looks back when small dogs bark. The truth is, the world will always talk. No matter how good you are, no matter how hard you work, someone will find something bad to say. They will gossip, they will lie. They will try to pull you down, not because you are weak, but because you are strong. Small minds hate seeing others rise. Lions don't waste their time worrying about the opinions of sheep. They don't get distracted by the noise of the weak. A lion knows who he is. A lion stays focused on the hunt. The barking of small dogs changes nothing. In life, people will bark at you. They will bark out of jealousy, out of fear, out of their own weakness. They will say you can't do it. They will say you are not good enough. They will laugh when you fail. Be the lion when people laugh. Move forward when people doubt. You move forward when people betray you. Move forward when the noise gets louder. Move faster. If you watch this far and you have been blessed by this message.
Nice. Fıtınatı. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. Nice. Nice. Cross ብቻ
የባህል አዳራሽ ባህልና ቱሪዝም አዳራሽ
በቀኝና በግራ ከፓንች ጋር ከክሮስ ጋር
በእምነት ነው እየተመለከታችሁት የምትገኙት ሻሉ እያቀረበ የሚገኘው በእምነት ደግሞ ሀረር ላይ ማለት ነው ሪማች እንግዲህ ከጅላሉዲን